Today we're making tea light holders from Doilies. You're going to start with some glasses that are the size that you want your tea light holders to be, and you'll need to cover those in cling wrap. I like to cover mine completely so the stiffy product does not get on them. So stiffy is what we're going to use to make the doilies stiff. It is a product you can find at your local craft store and is the main supply in this tutorial. So once you've covered your glasses completely, you will need to get your stiffy and a bowl that is disposable because you don't want to wash a bowl that you've used this product in. Shake the product well and pour a large amount into the bowl. Then add your crochet doilies to the stiffy material. Now you just want to soak the doily completely, and then you want to squeeze out any excess. You do not want to wring the doily as it can stretch it. So just squeeze gently and be sure to remove all excess from the doily. Then just use the doily and drape it over the top of the glass that was covered with cling wrap. Now, the edges will have excess. What we do is just use that excess to make a frilled edge around the tea light holder. You can just do this naturally as the doily lays. Does not have to be perfect at all. Then we're just going to set that one aside and repeat as many times as needed. Here we're just going to make two, repeating the steps. Now we can use the same stiffy that's still in the bowl, and when we're done we can pour what remains back into the bottle and use it again for another project. So this product needs to dry overnight, and once it's dry these doilies will be completely stiff and able to hold a tea light. Now, I'm calling these tea light holders, and you can definitely use a traditional tea light as we are here. However, you can also use battery-operated tea lights or just a electronic light. So once these have dried overnight, you can see they're completely stiff, remove easily from the cling wrap, and they're ready to add in the tea light or battery-operated light of your choice. Great for weddings and home decor. Enjoy your doily tea lights.